So during the recent pandemic, we've had to implement mask protocols, gloves where they're needed, or all of our technicians get tested regularly. And in regards to the appliance repair industry, PPE is very important. All of our technicians have the safety gloves, safety glasses where they're needed. We make sure that our tools are in good condition. If we're working with electricity, we want to make sure that the tools are insulated, nothing's broken or chipped to protect both our technicians and your home. We believe that we're here to educate our clients. We want to make sure that homeowners, appliance owners, they know how to maintain them properly. If you have a big issue and you need to call an appliance technician, we're here for you. But there's a lot of things that you can do yourself. There's the obvious: clean your lint filter, replace the filter in your refrigerator. But it goes even further than that. Don't overload your washing machine. Stuff like that. Those can really help prolong the life of your machines. I've always been somewhat of a tinkerer. I happened to stumble one day on an appliance technician ad in the newspaper. I went in for the interview, didn't expect too much of it, and just immediately fell in love. I fell in love with the craft, fell in love with the customer interactions. I love what I do. I love it so much that I ended up going on and opening a business with my partner, who's also a childhood friend. We both love what we do, and we both love coming and educating our clients and giving them the best service that we can. So right from the get-go, right from the scheduling process, our office is going to ask you for the model number of your appliance. We don't just do that to try and waste your time. It's to gather as much information as we can. Our technicians call the clients a lot of times the day before or early the same day of the appointment to gather some more information, try to understand the issue. Maybe we don't need to come out. Maybe we can resolve it over the phone. Maybe we can pick up the relevant parts and be ready to fix your appliance on the same visit. More often than not, we're asked when customers call into us if we're licensed or certified. I think that that's a great question, but that's really not where you want to be aiming yourself. You want to know, if I was in your shoes, I'd want to know if the appliance technician or the appliance company has insurance, has the proper insurance. Um, if someone comes to your house and works on the machine and God forbid something happens, whether it's their fault or not, there's a fire, there's a flood, you want to know that you're covered. That's the question that I would ask. I would suggest to ask the company to see some public records like reviews, an online profile, see what other people are saying on that about them. Um, Go with a company that is established, not with someone that you found on Craigslist. Craigslist is a great source, but a lot of times it's just a one-man operation who doesn't have any of that licensing background. I know sounds like a cliche, but we're really here to help you guys. We ask a lot of questions. We want to get to know you. Everything that we do, it is a business. Business needs to make profit, but it's not about the money. We want to make sure that you know how to operate your appliances, that you're safe, that your food doesn't spoil, that you can cook, that you can clean your clothes, and that at the end of the day, you're happy and hopefully you learn something as well about how to properly maintain them and prevent these issues in the future.